Live from Las Vegas, Fox 5 News This Morning starts now.
You know, some stories are just gift wrapped in a nice bow and handed to us, and this is one of them.
A hair loss convention being covered by Mike Doria. He and his chrome dome are doing some investigating this morning over at Cosmoprof. It's the convention designed for all things in the beauty industry. So, Mike, there's some new techniques out there for you.
You got a lot of nerve, Monica. Your hair comes in a bag from overseas. At least you have hair coming in. I'd have to watch mine grow in one of these 3 tubes with this new SmartGraft thing. It's like the, what did you call it, the iPhone of hair grafting?
SmartGraft is the iPhone of hair transplant surgery devices.
So how does it work?
So this is a device that allows us to take the individual follicles one at a time from the back of the scalp without leaving any linear scarring behind.
And that's important. Like people, I mean, I guess I would never know. I haven't had this done, but pain and scarring is kind of a big deal?
Correct. So old style procedures left a linear scar, had a long downtime, stitches or staples. This procedure has a much less downtime, much less discomfort, much quicker recovery, and absolutely no linear scar left behind.
And so I'm going to do my best to try and explain it. This is Dr. Alan Bauman. He's awesome. He's like the guru of hair transplant. But he said it sucks up the hair follicle through that, goes through the tube, and then into these dishes or cups where it keeps them moist and...
Absolutely. So that's the greatest innovation with this device is that when the follicle is harvested, it's going to then be transferred and stored right into this container where it's going to be kept moist and cool while it's awaiting transplantation. And the reason why we want that is because it's going to improve the growth rate and then the quality of hair on the back end when it grows.
Well, you know what they say, hair today, gone tomorrow. By the way, that's what it would look like afterwards. I have an idea. What if we got, like, you know how at the zoo they had a live cam with that giraffe waiting to have the baby? What if we got a live cam, Monica and Jason, and we just watched my hair follicles grow in that dish? I don't know if that would, like, I'm hopeless.
But, Mike, this is really interesting stuff. I mean, you know, imagine folks who have, like, you know, lupus or other diseases. I know folks who have it and they've lost their hair. Is this for women as well?
Well, so Monica's asking, you know, people with lupus who have lost their hair, for women, could this help women as well?
So if you have a scarring type of alopecia, a hair transplant is probably not going to work for you. But it's really important to go see a board-certified hair restoration physician to really get the proper diagnosis so you know what's right for you, whether it's a medication, a laser light device, a PRP, platelet-rich plasma treatment, or hair transplant surgery.
Gotcha.
So American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery is the place to go to find the board-certified doctors. There's only about 200 of us who are board-certified in hair restoration surgery.
All right, well, I hope that answers that. By the way, 130,000 hair follicles on a healthy head of hair. I have probably less than 30,000.
Oh, boy. That's good information, Mike. Thank you. All right.
Yeah, for someone who could get hair transplants.
I knew that was going to be a great,
I knew
great
it was.
report.
Yeah, of course.